We are the #1 direct selling company in the UAE. We are the #1 direct selling company in the Oman. We are the #1 direct selling company in Saudi Arabia. We are the #1 direct selling company in Kuwait, Qatar, Bahrain. We are the #1 direct selling company in Jordan, Iraq, Palestine. Everywhere in the Middle East, we are the #1. What an energy. And it is always nice to talk immediately after seeing the great personalities video, Dr. Hassan Saeed Al-Khateri. He was the father of the DXN Middle East. He was the pillar of the DXN Middle East. May I request all of you to give a very big round of applause to Dr. Hassan Al-Khateri, Allah Arhama. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. It's a moment of celebration, 22 years of DXN Middle East. May I ask you a question in the beginning? How many new members are here? Or how many new people are here who is attending DXN program for the first time? For the first time. That's great. That's a huge lot of new members. Ladies and gentlemen, all the old members, diamonds, put your hands together to welcome them. Thank you so much. You may be seated. Thank you so much. First of all, I would like to welcome all the dignitaries, all the crown ambassadors. Could you please stand up? All the crown ambassadors. Could you please stand up? All the crown ambassadors. Please put your hands together for our greatest crown ambassadors of DXN world. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your presence. And also, I would like to welcome all other dignitaries to this program. Wow. We have started DXN Middle East in the year 2002. 33 years in the world and 22 years in the Middle East. 22 years in the Middle East. Now I would like to talk to the new members, since so many new members are here. I would like to give you an idea. You might be wondering, sitting over there, what is happening over here? What is this company is all about? So I would like to give you a nutshell of what DXN is all about. As Shabi said, DXN has started in the year 1993. But a couple of years back, in 1993, we have started in the world. That took Dr. Lim Xiaojin had paved the idea of DXN 2 more years back, and the products have made. But unfortunately, the first 2 years, nobody had bought DXN products. So officially, we tell that in 1993, we have started. And 22 years back, in the year 2002, when DXN had started in this city of Dubai, nobody believed that this company will grow so much. Nobody believed. Only few people, along with our managing director, Mr. Matthew, and along with our international marketing director, Mr. Jijit, few good gentlemen, they have started DXN in Dubai in the year 2002. Nobody were believing that this company will grow. But right now, after 22 years, we have become the most strongest direct selling company in the Middle East. We are the #1 direct selling company in the UAE. We are the #1 direct selling company in the Oman. We are the #1 direct selling company in Saudi Arabia. We are the #1 direct selling company in Kuwait, Qatar, Bahrain. We are the #1 direct selling company in Jordan, Iraq, Palestine. Everywhere in the Middle East, we are the #1. You need to understand the crest of the company in order to understand the value of the platform you are sitting in. I would like to go through a few slides just to make you understand what DXN is all about quickly. We are not like a normal company. All the products of DXN, we are cultivating the raw material. And we are the one who manufacture the products. And we are the one who distribute the product. So nowhere in between, there is no other company involved. So what happens, the quality of the products increases and the price of the product reduces. For the new members, we are the largest producer of Ganoderma mushroom in the world. We are the largest producer of Ganoderma. You must be wondering, what is Ganoderma? Ganoderma is a red mushroom which can balance your wellness. Once you start having it, we know you all people are living in UAE. You might have left your hometown many years before. And you know, when you go back to your hometown, you go with different diseases. Cholesterol is there, sugar is there, all these diseases. You're going back without proper health. So Ganoderma is a food supplement which can normalize your body, which can give you or which can rejuvenate your healthy lifestyle. So Ganoderma, we are the #1 cultivator of Ganoderma in the world. We are the largest spirulina producing company in the world. Spirulina is again another miracle of nature. There are many companies which produce spirulina, but we are the largest in the world. We have presence in 180 countries, not only in UAE, not only in the Middle East, not only in any part of the world. We have spread into 180 countries within 32 years of operation. We possess not one of the, I would like to say, arguably the most beautiful corporate office ever built by a direct selling company or by any other company. Please put your hands together for this great building, the corporate office of DXN in Kuala Lumpur. And this building, the length of the building is around 1.5 kilometers. When you go inside, you can see around 150 premium 5-star level apartments are there in this building. So when you sit here, you should be feeling proud that you sit in the platform of a company which is having an awesome corporate office like this. #1 direct selling company in terms of production capacity. There are many other direct selling companies in the world. You might have experienced different direct selling companies being in Dubai or being in UAE. There are many direct selling companies around. And Mr. Shabi had introduced me as the chairman of Direct Selling Association in UAE. There are around 22 companies which are a part of Direct Selling Association in UAE. And out of all these companies, and you take all the companies in the world, direct selling companies, we are the #1 in terms of production capacity. 15 factories, ladies and gentlemen, 15 full-fledged factories DXN is having now, all over the world. And the second in the list company is having only 6 factories. You see the difference. This company is growing in a very extraordinary speed. The one and only direct selling company which has started a factory in the soil of Middle East is, ladies and gentlemen, is DXN. We have our factory in Dubai, Dubai Industrial City. If you go there, you can see this huge factory of 55,000 square feet. And all the products are going to be produced here. So DXN is no more a Malaysian company. You can call DXN as a UAE company. You can call DXN as a Middle East company. We have listed in Kuala Lumpur Stock Exchange. We are a listed company. You know, I understand that when you talk about direct selling to different people, and when you sit here, the new members, some of you will be doubting, is this industry true? Is this company true? My upline, had he or had she told me the truth? Or is this company is going to run away? No. Ladies and gentlemen, you are sitting in the platform of a listed company. When you talk about listing, Listing is an exercise where the company is undergoing extreme due diligence procedures so that when a company is listed, you can close your eyes and believe that company. And DXN is a proudly listed company. Number one direct selling company in the Middle East, which I have already told you in the beginning. One world, one market. One world, one market. This is a system which you need to really understand, especially for the new members. You imagine you are starting in a coffee shop or a grocery in Dubai. Who is going to be your customers? The people who are living nearby to your coffee shop or grocery. You are starting any other business in Dubai, the customers would be people in Dubai. If you are starting in Abu Dhabi, the customers would be people in Abu Dhabi. But when you are starting DXN business, your customers, potential customers, are gonna be all around the globe. Because DXN is following a one world, one market system. Today you are joining as a DXN member. Tomorrow you are calling your friend in USA, United States of America, and telling him or her that I have joined a company, very good coffee they are producing, you buy a coffee from America. Then your friend is going and buying a coffee from America. Next month, you will be getting the commission here. And people from Nepal, people from Bangladesh, people from India, people from Pakistan, wherever you go, your DXN income will follow you. Your job is not like that. Your business is not like that. Only DXN. Only DXN. See, you're doing job for a company. Once you resign and go back to Nepal, India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Yemen, anywhere, are you going to get your salary? No, you will not be getting your salary. But if you are a DXN business builder here, once you resign and go back to your home country, your income will follow you. Your income will follow you till the end of your life, and after your life, the income will go to your loved ones. This one, sitting in Dubai, we are very proud to announce you in front of you that we are the proud producer of the coffee that is being drunk by the royal family of Dubai. We are the official makers of Zabil coffee, which is the official coffee of Zabil royal family. You need to understand the speciality of DXN products. Ladies and gentlemen, 22 years when we started, we never felt that we will grow in this much way. From 2005, the royal family had not changed their official coffee. This is always DXN. And being new members, I'll tell you what you need to do to build a legacy income. What you need to do is to promote this coffee. As simple as that. Nothing much you need to do. The royal family's coffee, you need to find some more customers so that DXN will give you a very solid income. So ladies and gentlemen, once again, I would like to remind you that you are sitting in a very precious platform which can solve all your problems, which can solve all your problems in your life, which can solve all your problems in your family, which can solve all your problems in your financial sector. Everything will be solved if you really do DXN business. So with a lot of respect and with a lot of love, I would like to wind up. Enjoy the show, sit back and relax. And when you go out, you're going out with a clear vision as how to change your family, as how to improve your lifestyle. Thank you so much. Wish you all.